Today we're talking about solubility. We're going to go over how pH example where
do you happen to have a pencil or pen that I can borrow, please?
Yeah, sure. An insoluble salt. That salt.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I haven't been able to catch a break recently.
No problem. Same as me.
Can we please minimize the chit chat? All right. So the KSP reaction, it doesn't go forward very much. The reactant sides are favored, and so you need to.
Yo, Earth to Amy.
Sorry, I've been just totally out of it.
Whoa, hold up. Are you still coming out to the bars with us tonight?
Yeah, Ames, don't be such a square.
Hi, my name is Charlene Delka, and I played Amy in the video that you just watched, and I'm currently a student at UC Davis. Our university just launched an awareness campaign to promote the crisis text line, and we urge anyone struggling with stress or other mental health challenge to use this resource.
Yeah, just text the keyword RELATE to 741-741. It's free, immediate, confidential, and available 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. I'm Amelia Gary, and as the staff lead for this project, I'm excited to introduce this amazing crisis support service with y'all.
Yeah, same here. I'm Christian LeBeau and was a student cinematographer for this project. I also believe in the importance of spreading mental health awareness on college campuses in order for students to receive the help and support they need during difficult times and stressful situations.
Yeah, exactly. My name is Olivia Wong, and as the student writer and director for this video, I really wanted to showcase how difficult the life of an average college student can be. Sometimes it's the people who seem the happiest who are actually hurting the most. Check out more information in the video description to learn more, and please remember that you are not alone.